Welcome to our video on how to make this 3D part. Let's start activity. Select Part Design Workbench. Click here to add a new document. New document is added. Add body. Body is added. First we will make this portion. Select Additive box. Width will be this minus this. Select reference plane. You can use expression tool. Height will be this plus this. Length will be 25. Click OK. Select this edge. Click on Task and select chamfer. Change type. Provide values. Check with expression. Click OK. Add base by selecting Additive box. Select reference plane. This will be height, length, width. Enter values. Provide offset. Click OK. Now we will remove material with subtractive box. Select tool. Enter height. Select reference plane. Offset in X. Offset in Y. Change box dimensions. Adjust offset. Click OK to remove material. Export part. Import part. Move part. Change color. And there you have it. By following along and analyzing the isometric view, you've successfully recreated this part. Well done! Keep exploring, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of your creativity. See you.